Good day, sir. I'm Carlito Santiago, and now I'm going to discuss about the do a research on leader local or international. You look up to who embodies your ideals, principle, and perspective. Rodrigo Roa Duterte, often called Digong or Rodi, served as the 16th President of the Philippines from 2016 to 2022. We as a lawyer and politician will gain notoriety for his stance on crime during his long tenure. As mayor of Davao City, Duterte was born on March 28, 1945 in Maasin, Southern Leyte. Philippines' father, Vicente Duterte, was a governor and his mother, Soledad Roa, was teacher and community activist. He spent his formative year in Davao City, where his father later served as governor. Duterte graduated with a Bachelor of Arts degree in Political Science from Liacom of the Philippines University and earned a law degree from San Beda College of Law. In 1972, he has passed on the bar exam that same year. Work experience. Duterte's career began as a special counsel in the Davao City prosecutor's office, where he later became a city prosecutor. In 1986, he was appointed as OIC Vice Mayor of Davao City. He was elected Mayor of Davao City in 1988. Terms totaling over 22 years. He also served as Vice Mayor and Congressman of the city's first congressional district. Contributions and legacy. Duterte's presidency was marked by controversial war on drugs, campaign which aimed to curb the drug trade and related crime. The campaign was characterized by extrajudicial killings and human rights violations, drawing international criticisms despite controversy. Duterte's supporters lauded his efforts to improve peace and order in the country. He also signed into law the Bangsamoro Organic Law, which created the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, ending decades of peace. Negotiations with rebel groups in the Mindanao. Duterte economic policy focused on tax reforms and infrastructure development. He implemented a tax reform for acceleration and inclusion train law, which aimed to simplify and modernize a tax system. He also initiated the Build program, which aimed to improve infrastructure across the country. Reason for choosing Duterte. Duterte is Duterte popularity stemmed from his image as a strong who could address the country crime problem. His supporters we are drawn to his decisive leadership style and his promise to restore law and order. However, controversial methods and disregard for human rights alienated many Filipinos. His legacy remains complex and hotly debated, with some praising his efforts to improve security and economic development, while others condemned his human rights abuse.